Hello again, everyone. Welcome to Washington Gun Law TV. I am Washington Gun Law President William Kirk. Thanks for joining us. Hey, we have some updates out of Olympia, and they're not particularly encouraging, but it appears that Senate Bill 5078 is going to move out of the Senate today. It has been passed. It will move on to the House. We need to spend a few minutes and talk about that. So today, let's get you all up to speed on the bill to kill all the FFLs passes out of the state Senate. Okay, so the issue we're talking about today is Senate Bill 5078. It got put on the Senate floor for a vote today, and after a lengthy debates in which many members of our Washington State Senate attempted numerous amendments, all of which were soundly rejected by the Democrats in control, we got to this point right here.
Mr. President, 28 aye, 21 nay.
Having received a constitutional majority, substitute Senate Bill 5078 is declared passed. The title of the bill will be the title of the act.
And so, as you can see, at this point, Senate Bill 5078 has passed out of the Senate. What does that mean? Well, it now goes to the House. It will need to go through all of the committees there. It will ricochet around there for a little bit, and ultimately could be brought to a floor vote in the House. If it is passed out of the House, where does it go from there? So long as the bill is in the exact same form that it is in the Senate, it would go to the governor's desk for signature. Now, just to get you up to speed on what this bill does, and remember, we did this video right here, deep geek out material on that, but this bill essentially expands the definition of public nuisance to put a lot of activities that FFLs may engage into the confines of the definitions of public nuisance. But more troubling than that, what it does is it gives your Attorney General absolutely unfettered discretion to launch any investigation, to inflict any cost or damages upon any FFL that they believe are engaged in public nuisance behavior. And this also includes, and I want you to be clear about this, this also includes unlawful acts committed by third persons that purchased items from these FFLs. This would be akin to basically suing the Ford Motor Company because a drunk driver used the Ford to slaughter a family on the highway. This is essentially what the state of Washington is doing here with Senate Bill 5078. This is one of the strategies that the gun-grabbing left has been employing here, which when that pesky little thing called the Constitution keeps getting in the way, what we're going to do is look for ways to price lawful and responsible gun owners out of the market, and this is exactly one of those efforts. So, we're going to put the links for it down below. It is Senate Bill 5078. It has today, Thursday, March 2nd, 2023 at approximately 3:30 in the afternoon. It has officially passed out of the state Senate. It will now move to the House. Listen, you may have more questions about this or anything else related to your Second Amendment rights. You guys should all know how to contact us by now. In the meantime, please remember, part of being a lawful and responsible gun owner, like we talk about all the time here at Washington Gun Law, is to know what the law is in every situation and how it applies to you in any instance that you may find yourself. Until next time, thanks for watching and stay safe.